A new study from the Harvard School of Public Health finds vaccinating 12-year-old girls against strains of the cancer-causing human papillomavirus, or HPV, may lower the cervical cancer rates and be a cost-effective way to prevent the virus. While there is consensus over preventing cervical cancer, the move to vaccinate adolescents is still up for debate in many states. The biggest concerns for parents and many in the medical world are the long-term benefits and possible risks associated with the vaccine.
What we don't know is how long the individual will be protected for.
70% of cervical cancer cases can be traced back to 4 strains of HPV. Merck's Gardasil, the only HPV vaccine currently approved by the FDA, targets the same 4 strains. After 5 years of testing, the FDA approved the vaccine within 6 months.
I chose to get my daughter vaccinated.
The pharmaceutical company rolled out advertising campaigns on YouTube, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommended girls between 11 and 12 receive 3 doses of the vaccine. But parents and conservative watchdog groups say the FDA's own documents show there are more than 9,000 reports of side effects so far.
We want to see the government take a step back. We want to see the government stop recommending Gardasil for children, and we want a serious investigation of the side effects.
Doctors say whether states mandate or advise parents to vaccinate, there is a lot to consider.
It's a very complex question, and it really has to be a discussion between the parent and the child, and making that decision together.
The FDA says it is monitoring the safety and in June expanded warnings to the vaccine label to include fatigue and joint and muscle pain. Michelle Franzen, NBC News, New York.